The beauty of Earth, the wonder of nature, the beginning of dreams. TCL Air Conditioner was established in 1999. For over 20 years of development, its annual production capacity has exceeded 30 million sets. Its annual sales volume has exceeded 10 million sets. And its products have been sold to more than 160 countries and regions. Its production and sales volume has ranked among top 4 in the industry, and its export volume has ranked among top 3. This makes TCL AC one of the leading refrigerating enterprises in the industry. It is the vision of focusing on R&D of smart and healthy air technology, realizing the popularity of smart and healthy air conditioners, and the mission of making it easier for users to enjoy the healthier air that makes TCL AC forge ahead. Based on the new era, TCL AC is striving to go higher. Powered by the wisdom and experience of thousands of R&D personnel, TCL AC advances with innovation. Through a powerful virtual simulation platform and technology application, TCL takes the lead in launching a technological revolution to evolve from comfort to health. At present, TCL AC has mastered 5 global leading technologies, built up 3 product matrices, namely Smart Fresh Air, Smart Purified Air, and Smart Gentle Cool Wind, which established the most comprehensive fresh air AC product matrix in the industry. First generation of Blue Mini Wing Fresh AC. Raise the Blue Mini Wing, enjoy fresh wind. Second generation of Blue Mini Wing Fresh AC. It establishes the fresh air standards of the industry and defines the real fresh air conditioners. Third generation of Blue Mini Wing Fresh AC. It leads the new trend of the industry with the innovative bidirectional fresh air exchanging technology. The strategy of peak carbon dioxide emission and carbon neutrality brings about an energy revolution. TCL AC vigorously innovates the layout of heat pumps and thermal energy management products. At present, TCL AC has been becoming a professional brand of solutions to healthy air management, heat pump, and thermal energy management. TCL AC has established 5 production bases and 11 digital factories in Zhongshan, Guangdong, Wuhan, Hubei, Zhejiang, Jiangxi in China, and Indonesia and Brazil. In 2021, Guangdong Wangkezi Intelligent Control Technology Company Limited went into operation. In May 2022, TCL CAC Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park went into operation. In March 2023, TCL AC Wuhan Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park went into operation. With the world-class smart manufacturing capability and relying on industrial internet platform, TCL AC has created a brand new injection molding light-off factory with automation technologies. TCL AC has realized the automatic one-flow production of heat exchangers, automatic online and offline production, automatic dust prevention, smart barcode scanning, and automatic warehousing, etc. The AC platform commands hundreds of manipulation robots and AI visual robots to assemble each product with high accuracy. With 850 quality monitoring steps, its global leading dust-free fresh air AC production line ensures the excellent quality of every TCL air conditioner. TCL AC have reached the industry-leading level with respect to many test technical indexes. Either a component or a whole unit, every product of TCL AC must undergo comprehensive and rigorous tests. Its component laboratory administers 7 high-end laboratories and is equipped with 257 sets of high-precision testing equipment. Before a new product is launched, the complete machine must undergo 300 test experiments for comprehensive verification. By carrying out extremely strict quality standard inspection, TCL provides users with high reliability products. Never stop striving. Strength comes through perseverance and hard work with endless pursuit of adventure and discovery. Looking forward to the future? adhering to TCL's gene of revolution through continuous breakthroughs of technologies and product innovations. TCL AC will spare no effort to make it easier for users to enjoy a more comfortable and healthier life.